In this guide, I will walk you step by step through several useful settings in Windows that can help improve your computer's stability, prevent automatic restarts, stop devices from waking your computer unexpectedly, and make sure that your system shuts down properly. Sometimes Windows systems restart automatically, wake up from sleep without the user doing anything, or fail to power off completely. The settings we are going to change can help reduce these problems and make your system behave more reliably. Follow each step carefully and take your time while navigating through the menus. First, click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the Start menu opens, click on the search bar and type Edit Power Plan. As the search results appear, click on the option that says Edit Power Plan to open the Power Settings window. A new window will appear showing your current power plan settings. In this window, you will normally see options related to turning off the display and putting the computer to sleep after a certain amount of time. However, we need to access some additional power settings. Look toward the left side of the window and find the option called Choose What the Power Buttons Do. Click on that option. When the next page opens, you may notice that some of the options are currently disabled or grayed out. This happens because Windows protects certain shutdown settings by default. To unlock these options, look near the top of the window and click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable. After clicking this option, the locked settings will become editable. Now scroll down slightly until you find the section called Shutdown Settings. In this section, you will see a checkbox labeled Turn on Fast Startup, Recommended. Fast Startup is a Windows feature designed to make the computer boot faster by saving some system information before shutting down. While this feature can help reduce startup time, it can also sometimes cause shutdown issues or driver conflicts on certain systems. Because of that, we will disable this option. Simply remove the checkmark next to Turn on Fast Startup. After unchecking it, scroll down and click Save Changes so the new setting is applied. Once that step is completed, you can close the window and return to your desktop. Now we will move to the next step, which involves adjusting a setting related to automatic restarts after a system error. Go to your desktop and locate This PC. If you do not see it on the desktop, you can open File Explorer and find it on the left side panel. Once you locate This PC, right-click on it. A menu will appear. In some versions of Windows, you may first see a simplified menu, so click on Show More Options to display the full menu. From the expanded list, click on Properties. This will open the System Information page, where you can see details about your computer, such as the processor, installed memory, and Windows Edition. On the right side of this page, look for an option called Advanced System Settings and click on it. A new window called System Properties will open. Inside the System Properties window, you will see several tabs at the top. Make sure the Advanced tab is selected. Within the Advanced tab, find the section called Startup and Recovery. In that section, you will see a button labeled Settings. Click on the Settings button. A new window will appear showing Startup and System Failure options. In the System Failure section, there is a checkbox called Automatically Restart. When this option is enabled, Windows automatically restarts the computer whenever a serious system error occurs. While this might seem helpful, it can sometimes make troubleshooting difficult because the system restarts before you have a chance to see the error message. To prevent this from happening, remove the checkmark next to Automatically Restart. After disabling it, click OK to save the change. Then click OK again to close the System Properties window. Now we will move to the next step, which involves adjusting a setting inside Device Manager. Right-click on the Start menu button again. From the list that appears, click on Device Manager. This will open a window showing all the hardware devices connected to your computer. Inside Device Manager, look for the category called Network Adapters. Click the small arrow next to it to expand the list. You will now see one or more network devices depending on your system configuration. For example, you might see a Wi-Fi adapter and an Ethernet adapter. Find the network adapter that your computer uses to connect to the internet. Once you locate it, right-click on that adapter and choose Properties. A new Properties window will appear for that device. At the top of the window, you will see several tabs such as General, Driver, Details, Events, and Power Management. Click on the tab called Power Management. Inside this tab, there will be an option that says Allow this device to wake the computer. When this setting is enabled, the network adapter can wake the computer from sleep mode if it detects certain network activity. Although this feature can sometimes be useful, it may also cause the computer to wake up unexpectedly. To prevent that from happening, remove the checkmark next to Allow this device to wake the computer. After unchecking it, click OK to apply the change. By following these steps carefully, you can improve the overall reliability and power management behavior of your Windows system.